stop. Don't buy the iPhone 17 just yet. Apple's biggest gamble hides upgrades and downgrades you need to know. This is Next Tech Tools. Subscribe now so you never get tricked by the hype. Apple has just made its boldest move in years. The unpopular Plus model is dead. And in its place, we're getting the brand new iPhone 17 Air. Sounds exciting, right? It's thinner, lighter, and being hyped as the sleekest iPhone ever. But here's the catch. When Apple gives us something this slim, they usually take away something huge, like battery life. So while the Air may look stunning on launch day, it could be the one iPhone that leaves you hunting for a charger before the afternoon. So, what's the full lineup? Apple's giving us 4 models this year: the iPhone 17, the slimmer 17 Air, the 17 Pro, and the giant 17 Pro Max. The regular iPhone 17? Pretty much the same. Aluminum frame, familiar look. Apple and Porsche must share the same designer. Just copy, paste, and call it innovation. But the Pro models may get a real makeover. A new half-glass, half-metal finish, and even a horizontal camera bar across the back, something we've only really seen on Android. Apple calls it innovation. We call it déjà vu. Finally, the good news. Apple is giving every iPhone 17 model a 120 Hz ProMotion display. No more paywall, no more excuses. Scrolling will finally feel buttery smooth across the lineup. But here's the twist. Performance isn't equal. The standard iPhone 17 and the new Air are stuck with last year's A18 chip. Reliable, sure, but nothing new. The Pro models, on the other hand, get the brand new A19 Pro chip, plus 12 GB of RAM for the first time. That means faster gaming, smoother streaming, and better multitasking. Translation: if you want real performance, Apple's making sure you pay the Pro tax. Camera lovers, this is where things get interesting. Every iPhone 17 finally jumps to a 24-megapixel front camera, so FaceTime calls and selfies will look sharper than ever. But Apple isn't treating every model equally. The iPhone 17 Air drops down to just one 48-megapixel rear lens, for a phone that could cost close to $1,000. Meanwhile, the Pro models are flexing with 3 full 48-megapixel sensors and the ability to record from multiple lenses at the same time. If photography matters to you, Apple is clearly pushing you towards the Pro side. That razor-thin Air design comes with a price: a rumored 2,800 mAh battery. That's smaller than most phones today and could leave you searching for a charger before dinner. Yes, wired charging finally jumps to 35 watts, nearly double today's speeds, but faster charging won't save you if the battery itself can't last a full day. The thicker Pro models will naturally handle endurance far better. All models ship with iOS 26 and Apple's new liquid glass interface. Cleaner visuals and slicker animations, but nothing life-changing. And that long-awaited Siri AI upgrade? Delayed until 2026. So while the iPhone 17 runs beautifully, it doesn't deliver the big AI leap many were expecting this year. Now let's talk money. And this is where things start to sting. The standard iPhone 17 holds at $799. The brand new Air? Expected between $899 and $1,099. Awkwardly stuck in the middle. More expensive than the regular 17, but stripped down compared to the Pros. The Pro stays at $999, and the Pro Max pushes past $1,199, depending on storage. So Apple isn't just reshuffling the lineup, they're reshuffling the price ladder too. So here's the brutal truth. If you own an iPhone 16, there's no urgent reason to upgrade. If you're still rocking an iPhone 13 or older, the iPhone 17 is a meaningful leap. Smoother displays, sharper cameras, and better battery on the Pros. But the flashy new iPhone 17 Air? That's the real gamble. It looks gorgeous, but with a smaller battery and a single rear camera, it may end up being Apple's most overpriced compromise yet. And don't forget, 2026 is rumored to bring foldables and a massive redesign. So if you're patient, waiting could be the smartest move. So, would you actually buy the iPhone 17? Or are you waiting for Apple's rumored foldables in 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. If this video helped you, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Tech Tools so you never get tricked by the hype again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.